Dr. Swasthik, I'm really delighted.
Yes.
I'm very happy, and I bring all the greetings and wishes from entire faculty panel of Speed and the team of Speed to you for making all of us proud, and you have inspired us and scoring rank number 1 in NEET SS Common Merit List rank number 1 and AIIMS Merit List rank number 1 in the field of DM Medical Oncology.
Thank you so much, sir.
Fantastic. Absolutely top of the world. Yes. So great. You have done an amazing job. You have done an amazing job. Very meticulous, well-planned execution and getting on to the very, very great finish line. So we want to know from Dr. Swasthik, is a background, medical background, from where you come from where you did his MBBS, where you did your medicine and an MD, and why did you want to do a DM Oncology?
Yeah, I come from coastal Karnataka. I come from Udupi, from Karnataka, and I've done my MBBS from Kasturba Medical College under Manipal University, and I've done my MD in General Medicine from JJM Medical College, Davangere, under Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Bangalore. And I finished my post-graduation last year, and I've been working as senior resident over there only. So this is actually my third AIIMS exam which I gave. The first one was in last November, and I did not get qualified in that AIIMS. That is when I started preparing seriously for medical oncology. I was always interested in medical oncology. Ever since I was in MBBS, we had one medical oncologist in our college, KMC Mangalore, here, Dr. Krishna Prasad, very inspiring person. So I used to attend his rounds, and since then I always wanted to take up medical oncology. So finally, I think AIIMS Delhi is the place to be for a medical oncologist, aspiring medical oncologist to be. So.
Excellent. The credit goes to Dr. Krishna Prasad, who inspired you, is the person who did the job, and to create one like you, and hats off to him. And we want to know about Dr. Swasthik's preparation strategy. What are the preparation strategy when he started, how he started, and how many hours per day he did, how many hours full-time dedication, complete aspect, and we want a blueprint of your preparation strategy.
So during my post-graduation, I did not give that much of importance to medical oncology. Actually, for a general medicine person, in most of the colleges, medical oncology is not we do not see that many cases of medical oncology. We see some hematological oncology cases now and then, but not the solid organ tumors. So we don't get exposed to medical oncology as such until unless there is a dedicated oncology team in your hospital and you get posted over there. So I did not study oncology as such during my post-graduation. So I gave my last NEET SS, in which I got around 150 rank. That is when I realized that I need to give more importance and I need some guidance. That's when I subscribed Speed, and I started seeing videos of Dr. Prasad Ishwaran sir and even Dr. Deen Dayalan sir. They were excellent. So initially I used to see the videos which were made earlier. Then I started attending regular classes. Then I gave last year November exam, AIIMS exam. That's when I realized the level of questions asked in AIIMS. So then probably I should be thankful to Dr. Praful Pandey sir. His classes were excellent. It gave me an idea as to what direction in what direction I should study for AIIMS. So that helped me a lot. So I got to know the level at which the questions are framed. So I studied accordingly. Initially I used to see all the videos and make notes, and I think that's the essential part of it. You need to make notes. Until you make notes, you won't be able to, because medical oncology being a very volatile subject, it's not possible for us to remember each and every point in one go. So we need to go on revising it. So I think I've seen all the videos at least 2 or 3 times, and I've revised my notes multiple times, and I've gone through the question series and grand tests and everything in speed. So it helped me a lot. So yeah, that gave me first rank.
You have meticulously done everything possible.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So did you go through the high yield series of tables and images?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I recently attended all the. I mean, I've seen the videos of even Dr. Santosh sir. Very nice classes and helped me a lot. It helped me a lot for my last minute revision part of it.
Great. How many questions did you attend?
I attempted all questions, sir.
80 out of 80.
Yes, yes, sir.
Great. Superb. And you feel that this 80 out of 80 made the difference of rank number 1? That gave you the extra edge?
Yes, sir. Actually, this time's pattern was much different from usual AIIMS. So I was expecting actually some 65 to 70 questions of medical oncology out of 80. But this time they made it into 40-40. So we had only 40 questions of medical oncology, which I felt was fine because I had enough revision for that. For the medicine part of it, I did go through Karthikeyan sir's classes, which helped me a lot, but I needed some revision. That was a bit tough, what I felt. If I had done probably 2-3 more revisions on that, would have been better. So that's why the medicine part of it, I took a little bit of chance because some of the questions we usually end up getting stuck at 2 options, ruling out among the 2 possible options. So that's why I attempted all 80 questions. Yeah, probably that helped me in getting rank 1.
Fantastic. Now, what will be your message to the students who are aspiring for DM Medical Oncology, and what will you advise them so that your experience could make a lot of difference for students who are preparing or watching this video?
Yes, there is no shortcut to success, so we need to work hard and yes, go through all the videos, and the key is revision. Number of revisions one does, it helps to remember the subject more and to understand the subject better. So probably revision is the key. As many times as possible, revise the things. Don't at the last moment, don't go studying new topics. Be thorough in whatever you know and continue revising.
So, doctor, how many times did you revise? Can we know that?
I must have revised minimum 5 to 6 times.
Great. So that makes a difference. 5 to 6 times, maximum number of questions.
That does.
Yes, it makes a difference. Doctor, I will request you to join as a faculty member once you settle in AIIMS, and so that you can teach more students who are aspiring for it. That will be a request. And I bring in once again all the greetings and wishes from Speed to you, and for a great endeavor and a great career in oncology as a great oncologist in years to come, and to contribute, and you definitely sure you will contribute more to your specialty, and you will touch upon many lives and thousands of lives in the specialty of oncology, and you'll do wonders.
Thank you so much, sir.
And I also wish you not only the great career and upcoming good years, and very good years and bright years, and a very happy new year as well. And a very happy new year to you, 2022, and to you, to your family members, to your friends and relatives.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Welcome,
I wish all the aspirants all the best and happy new year.
Thanks, doctor, for being with us, and we were very kind to you, and you have very, very kind of you that being with us after securing a topmost rank, and it means a great, and the faculties who are watching this video will be definitely happy about it, and definitely they will feel very good about it. Thank you. I'll convey the regards.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.